To make the last month of 2023 effective for the coming year. Preparing effectively for the coming year involves a strategic approach encompassing various aspects of personal and professional development. Now I'm going to tell you 10 effective keywords for you to be a best version of yourself. Let's begin. Reflect. Review your accomplishments and challenges from 2023 to identify areas for improvement. Set goals. Define clear and realistic goals for 2024. Break them down into manageable tasks. Prioritize. Identify key priorities and focus on tasks that align with your long-term objectives. Plan. Develop a plan or roadmap for achieving your goals. Create a monthly, weekly, or daily schedule. Learn. Identify skills you want to develop in 2024 and start acquiring the necessary knowledge or training. Declutter. Organize your physical and digital space. A clean environment can enhance productivity. Health check. Assess your physical and mental well-being. Make any necessary adjustments for a healthier lifestyle. Network. Strengthen professional and personal connections. Networking can open new opportunities. Budget. Review your financial situation and create a budget for 2024. Consider saving and investment goals. Celebrate achievements. Acknowledge and celebrate your successes in 2023. Positive reinforcement is motivating. Remember, small, consistent efforts in the last month can set a positive tone for the upcoming year.